Wasps are often seen as simple insects, buzzing around gardens and sometimes causing a bit of trouble. But behind their small size lies an extraordinary mathematical and engineering genius that humans have only begun to fully understand. Their nests, built with precision and efficiency, are a masterpiece of natural geometry and survival strategy. But how do they create these intricate structures, and why do they use a very specific shape, the hexagon? Let's dive into the incredible world of wasps and uncover the secrets of their perfectly designed homes. If you've ever looked inside a wasp or bee nest, you'll notice that the cells are not randomly shaped. Instead, they are perfect hexagons, each one identical in size and seamlessly connected to the others. But why hexagons and not squares, triangles, or circles? The answer lies in mathematics and efficiency. A hexagonal structure has a unique advantage because it maximizes space without leaving any gaps. Shapes like circles leave empty spaces, while hexagons fill an area completely, ensuring no wasted room. This structure also requires the least amount of material. Compared to squares or triangles, hexagons cover the same area with a smaller perimeter, meaning wasps can use less energy and fewer resources to build their nests while keeping them strong. Another key advantage is that hexagonal structures provide superior strength and stability. The honeycomb design naturally reinforces itself, making the nest more resistant to external pressures like wind and predators. Nature has discovered this optimal structure through millions of years of evolution, allowing wasps and bees to build lightweight yet incredibly strong homes using minimal effort. Unlike bees, which use wax to construct their hives, wasps use a paper-like material to create their nests. But how do they get paper? Wasps create this substance by chewing up wood fibers, taken from tree bark, fences, or even cardboard, and mixing it with their saliva. This forms a pulp-like mixture, which they spread and mold into the layers of their nest. Once dry, it hardens into a sturdy, lightweight material, very similar to the paper we use today. The outer layers of the nest serve as insulation and protection. They consist of multiple overlapping sheets that help regulate temperature and shield the colony from predators. Unlike honeybee hives, which have multiple entrances, a wasp nest typically has only one small opening at the top. This single entry point allows the colony to defend itself more effectively from intruders. The construction of a wasp nest is a perfect example of teamwork and social organization. At the heart of every colony is the queen, who starts the entire process. After surviving the winter, she emerges in the spring and begins building a small primary nest, usually no bigger than a tennis ball. She lays her first eggs inside it, and when they hatch, the new worker wasps take over the expansion process. From this point on, the queen focuses solely on laying eggs while the workers handle all aspects of nest construction, food collection, and defense. The colony can then decide whether to expand the current nest or build a secondary one in a better location. By late summer, the colony reaches its peak, producing male wasps and new queens that will eventually leave to establish their own nests. As temperatures drop, the old queen, the workers, and the males die off, leaving only the newly fertilized queens to find shelter and survive the winter. When spring returns, the cycle starts all over again. While wasps primarily use hexagonal cells, their nests must accommodate different members of the colony, such as worker wasps, males, and new queens. Not all cells are identical in size, which presents a challenge. How do they connect different-sized hexagonal cells without disrupting the structure? The answer is an ingenious evolutionary trick. When needed, wasps build two neighboring cells with different shapes, such as one with 5 sides and the other with 7. This small adjustment allows them to transition between different cell sizes while maintaining the overall pattern. Without this adaptation, simply adding larger hexagons would break the uniformity of the nest, leading to gaps or weak points. This ability to adjust and optimize their structures demonstrates how sophisticated these insects are when it comes to architecture and problem solving. Wasps play an essential role in nature, helping to control pest populations and pollinate plants. However, if you discover a wasp nest near your home, it's important to exercise caution. Never attempt to remove it yourself, as wasps can become highly aggressive if they perceive a threat. Always keep a safe distance and contact local pest control professionals or fire department services trained in handling these situations. These incredible nests are a testament to how nature has already solved many of the engineering challenges we struggle with today. Through simple mathematical and geometric principles, wasps have perfected the art of construction, proving that some of the most brilliant architects in the world don't have degrees, they have wings. Thanks for watching Beyond Nature. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on the latest discoveries, mind-blowing adaptations, and nature's hidden intelligence that continues to inspire and amaze us.